Hello and welcome back to Crypto Schnack. My name is Marian and I'm your host today. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. And if you do enjoy what you see, do consider subscribing. It would really help me out to grow further in the future. Today we will look into the funds that Tesla has raised last year and what that actually means for the factory they are building in Giga Austin right now, which we see in the background. And we will look into the price targets from Morgan Stanley. Furthermore, in the best-selling car in UK for the last month. And we will look into the Georgia election, not on the political side, but further into what this election result is actually meaning for Tesla. And if you do enjoy all that, I'm happy to have you here and hope I'm gonna have you back here again in the future. So guys, let's start right away. So we do have $12 billion raised by Tesla last year when they were selling their stocks. And if we take these $12 billion, it is actually it is exactly what I have reported already a few times, that with this cash they have so much possibilities to grow in the near future. And just the fully built Giga Austin, Texas factory will cost around $1 to $1.5 billion. So looking into that, this is just amazing. I mean, guys, they have already paid for this entire factory, and it looks like they will have the money to further expand and further build factories. Actually, they came out 3 hours ago an article from Tesla-Ratis, which was actually talking about a big commercial site in Seattle. It doesn't look like they're going to build a factory over there, but it seems like there could be like a warehouse or delivery place for cars whatsoever. And this is the kind of things that Tesla is able to pay in cash right now, if they want to lease it or if they want to buy it whatsoever. This is the reason why Tesla is now having the money to expand and do whatever they want to do, because they have a positive cash flow. I'm expecting to have a great result for the fourth quarter with a record profit. Anything else would be a disappointment. So combining all these information, we do know they have paid already for this factory we are seeing in the background, and they have the money for further factories this year if they announce that. Talking about announcements, there were a lot of people still asking Elon Musk about a factory in India. He is saying that he cannot give any answers right now, but there will be an answer this year. And if you read this message right, I think there could be some negotiations already happening for India, which would make a lot of sense. You have a big market. Again, of course, the average salary is by far not as high as in China and in the United States. And of course, the market will be still limited but to customers in India. But again, looking into the future, looking 5 to 10 years in the future, there will be enough people buying cars, and I think they're living like around 1.2 billion people. There will be enough people. If it's just 500,000 cars in this big country, it should be possible. Exciting to see when any kind of announcement comes, because I'm expecting one new factory announcement at least in 2021. So now we're looking into the new price target for Tesla. Tesla has actually got from Morgan Stanley a $810 price target, and the really bull case target could be $1,250, guys. I mean, would be insane. This would mean that Tesla would be worth around $1.6 trillion. Sorry, not billion, trillion dollars. This would be pretty insane. I must honestly say that would be a price Tesla is actually, based on their business, not worth yet. And we have already right now a crazy target. So again, $810, and based on that and some other news, Tesla has actually risen to $771 today, which is just crazy. But again, it is a big success story, and more people who support this kind of vision that Tesla has are getting over 18 or turning 20, 21, earning their own money, and they want to invest the money. And those kind of investors are the key to the success and for the success of the stock. And I think this will not change in the near future. By the way, I would like to credit, as always, Jeff Roberts, who allowed me to use his content and his drone footages in the background. Thanks to him for doing drone footages every single day. Now, the two last points I'd like to go into with you is the UK best-selling car, and guess who it is? It is the Model 3, guys. And they are not even having any factory in Europe. It is just crazy. So the best-selling car in December was the Model 3. So we have it already on paper what this could mean for the future once Giga Berlin is actually producing cars at full capacity. And for the last point, guys, the Georgia election, I'm not going into any kind of parties and issues. I'm just talking about the effect of the election, and it seems like the Democrats are winning both Senate seats. And this is the reason why the stock has risen by almost 7% today, because this would mean that the Democrats have the possibility to do laws in both houses, and this would mean they could actually do what they have promised, which I'm expecting, to support any kind of new energy, green energy, electric cars, anything like that will be supported, as it is supported in Germany or in other countries, and this will drive Tesla demand as crazy. And we have seen what happens in China with that. I mean, 100,000 Model Y orders in 10 hours. I mean, of course, China is bigger than the United States, but this is insane. And I think this just shows what we could see in 2021 and in 2022. The demand is just going to skyrocket, and we are still not at that place that Tesla is producing more cars as they have demand. They're still running after the demand and try to keep up with it. So guys, if you did enjoy my video, you like my content, do consider subscribing to my channel. I would really like to see that, and it would really help me out. And I wish you all a wonderful